Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Limecrime. These are their pocket candy eyeshadow palettes. They look like little Polly Pockets and they're so adorable. So they have 3 different eyeshadow palettes. This blue one is Bubblegum, this yellow one is Pink Lemonade, and the pink one is Sugar Plum. So these have 5 shadows and they are vegan and cruelty free. Basically, they have the little setup there. So you have the diamond in the middle and the 4 shadows on the outside. And then you have the little mirror on the bottom. So this is the Sugar Plum palette. This is the Pink Lemonade palette. And this is the Bubblegum palette. First of all, A+ for this packaging. I literally love it. And these are kind of the eyeshadow palettes that you could like display and they would look so cute. So I've never tested out Limecrime's formula before. I picked up their 2 Venus palettes, which I will do a review on as well, but I haven't gotten to use them yet. So this is the first time I'm trying out their shadows. Okay, now that we're all nice and really close, let me just start. So I'm just gonna start by taking Bubblegum palette. I'm going to take this tan shade here, and I'm going to put that into my crease. Oh, this is the shade 2. All these shade names are on the back. Now I'm going to go into the Pink Lemonade palette. So I'm just going to take, this is a little Sugar Bones brush that I mentioned in one of my previous videos. And I'm going to take the shade Brown Sugar, which is this like pinky brown. And we're just going to put that in our crease just below where we put 2. And then from the Pink Lemonade palette, I'm taking the shade Baby Cake, which is the dark brown. And I'm just going to put that onto the outer corner. There is a little bit of kickback with these shadows, but it's nothing too crazy. Okay, so now I want to take one of the more shimmery shades. So I'm going to take this shade here in the Bubblegum palette. This is the shade Pop. And I'm just going to try and put that onto my lid using my finger. Okay, I'm just going to try it on a small little brush. And now I'm going to just dampen the brush. Okay, so that shimmer shade was kind of difficult to apply. But, I mean, it got on eventually. I just had to really press it in with my finger. So now I'm just going to take the center shade here in the Sugar Plums. This is called Icing. And I'm just taking that on a fluffy brush and just going to pop that into the inner corner. There's a ton of fallout with this one. So now I'm just going to take the shade Chew on the bottom lash line and just drag it pretty much all the way across until we meet like the icing shade that we put in the inner corner. So now on a little tiny packing brush, I'm going to take this like bright pink shade called Strawberry, and I'm just going to put that onto the inner corner of the eye. Okay, and then on the same brush, I'm just going to take the shade Baby Cake and go on the outer half of the eye. Okay, so this is the look I created using the 3 Limecrime Pocket Candy eyeshadow palettes. Let me zoom you guys out and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so first of all, I obviously adore the packaging. I'm a 90s kid. I grew up with a bunch of Polly Pockets. And I actually keep one on like my nightstand back here behind me that I picked up at a thrift store last year. So I definitely love the Pink Lemonade palette. I love these 2 matte shades, and the strawberry shade here definitely is really pretty on the inner corner here. It just took a little bit of time to build it up. The Bubblegum palette is interesting. This is a really pretty shade here, this Pop one. It just takes a while to build it up. And this Chew is a really nice transition shade. I didn't touch the other 3, but they are like really fun colors. You get like shimmery pink, a blue, and a purple. And last but not least, the Sugar Plum palette. This one is a little bit out of my realm. I don't really reach for purples a lot. And this one's really pretty. It's like an iridescent purple. And then this whole thing is shimmers, it looks like. I think this one might all be shimmers, which is a negative for me. But I think that this shade, even though it's kind of chunky, is a pretty inner eye highlight. And if you really like purples, I assume you're gonna like this palette. I think my favorite for sure is the Pink Lemonade one. I think that you can create like good looks with this one. It kind of gives you everything that you need except for an inner highlight, unless you're going to use this yellow. So this one's definitely my favorite. Then the Bubblegum, and then last but not least the Sugar Plum. These did blend really nicely. I'm actually kind of impressed with their shadow formula. It's a little dry, but it definitely did blend out really nice, and you can build up the color to get the amount of pigment that you want. So if you haven't tried these yet, I would definitely recommend them. I think that they're really cute, travel-friendly palettes. I love that they come with a mirror, and the packaging is literally to die for. Anyways, that's it, guys, for my pocket candy review from Limecrime. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and please hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.